Hello students, welcome to the class of Mathematics Standard 10, Chapter number 7, Coordinate of Geometry. For this, first we revise our Standard 9th. You studied that to locate the position of a point on a plane, we required a pair of coordinate axes. The distance of a point from the y-axis is called its x-coordinate. The distance of a point from x-axis is called its y-coordinate. So, the coordinate of the point on x-axis are the form of x, 0 and the point on y-axis are the form of 0, y. Now, we can understand that how to plot a coordinates of x-axis and y-axis on a graph. Suppose we say that horizontal line is called x-axis and vertical line is called y-axis. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we can put a minus. Same way 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And in the down we have to write the negative integers. Suppose a is equal to 4, 0. So how to represent 4, 0? 4 on x-axis and 0 on y-axis. So a here we can represent 4, 0. Now b. B is equal to 6, 0. So how to represent b here? On the x-axis 6 and the y-axis 0. Now on C 0, 3. Now on x-axis it's a 0, on y-axis is a 3. So we can represent C 0, 3. And now D 0, 8. So on x-axis it's a 0 and on y-axis it's a 8. So how to represent D here? 0, 8. Now in this chapter we have to learn three formulas. First, distance formula, second, section formula, and third, area of triangle. So first we can understand that distance formula. So in distance formula we have to understand the distance between 2 points on a graph. What is distance formula? Distance formula is denoted with PQ, AB, CD as any figure is equal to root x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Now exercise number 7.1. Find the distance between the following pair of points. First one 2, 3 and 4, 1. Suppose this is P and this is Q. Now 2 is represent x1, 3 is represent y1, 4 is represent x2 and 1 is represent y2. Means 2 is the coordinate of x1, 3 is the coordinate of y1, 4 is the coordinate of x2 and 1 is the coordinate of y2. Now we know that what is our distance formula? PQ is equal to root x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. What is the value of x1? 2. x2 is equal to 4. 2 minus 4 whole square. Same way 3 minus 1 whole square. Minus plus minus bigger number sign. 4 minus 2 is equal to minus 2 square. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 square. Minus 2 square is equal to 4. 2 square is equal to 4. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Now we have to find the root. So 2 root 2. Now question number 2. Minus 5, 7 and minus 1, 3. Now we know that minus 5 is represent x1 coordinate, 7 is y1 coordinate, minus 1 is x2 coordinate and 3 is y2 coordinate. So first we can apply our distance formula. PQ is equal to x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So minus 1 whole square, 7 minus 3 whole square, minus plus. Minus 5 plus 1 is equal to minus 4 and 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. So 4 square is equal to 16 plus 16 is equal to 32. So we can find the root of 32. 4 root 2. Now question number 2. Find the distance between points 0, 0 and 36, 15. Can you now find the distance between the two towns A and B discussed in section 7.2. Now we have to know that section 7.2 is A is a town and B is a other town. Now we find the distance between town A and B. So here we have 0, 0 and 36, 15. So root x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. 0 minus 36 whole square plus 0 minus 15 whole square. So minus 36 whole square plus 15 whole square. So 36 square is 1296 plus 225 is equal to 1529. So what is the root of 1529? 39. So yes, we can find the distance between AB. Assume town A at the origin point 0, 0 and the town B at the point of 36, 15 with town A. So we can find the distance between A and B is 39 kilometer. Now question number 3. Determine the point A 1, 5, B 2, 3 and C minus 2, minus 11 are collinear. First we can understood that what is the meaning of collinear. Collinear means the points are represent only one line. So first we find the distance between AB, then BC and CA. So what is the formula, distance formula? x1 minus x2 whole square minus y1 minus y2 whole square. 1 minus 2 whole square plus 5 minus 3 whole square. Minus 2 minus 1 minus 1 whole square. 5 minus 3, 2. 1 square minus 2 square is equal to 1 plus 4 is equal to root 5. Now BC is equal to 2 minus minus 2 whole square plus 3 minus minus 11 whole square. Minus minus plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Minus minus plus 3 plus 11 is equal to 14. So 4 square plus 14 square is equal to 16 square plus 196 is equal to root 212. Same way we have to find the distance between C to A. 1 minus minus 2 whole square plus 5 minus minus 11 whole square. So minus minus plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Minus minus plus 11 plus 5 is equal to 16. 9 plus 256 is equal to 265. If we want to do AB plus BC, then it is not equal to AC. So we say that they are not collinear. Now question number 5. In a classroom, 4 friends are seated at the point of A, B, C and D, showing the figure in your textbook. Champa and Chameli walked into the class and after observing a few minutes, Champa asked Chameli, "Don't you think ABCD is a square?" Chameli disagreed. Using distance formula, find which of them is correct. So, if we want to find ABCD is a square, so first we need the sides of a square. So, we have to use distance formula and find AB, BC, CD and AD. So first we can find AB. Here we can write the coordinates of A, B, C and D. That's why we can understood easily. AB is equal to 3 minus 6 whole square plus 4 minus 7 whole square. 6 minus 3 is equal to minus 3. 7 minus 4 is equal to minus 3. So minus 3 minus 3, 9 plus 9. So 9 plus 9 is equal to root 18. Now same way here. BC is equal to 6 minus 9 whole square plus 7 minus 4 whole square. Here 9 minus 6 minus 3, 7 minus 4, 3. 3 square plus 3 square is equal to 9 plus 9 is equal to root 18 is equal to 3 root 2. CD is equal to root 9 minus 6 plus 4 minus 1. Same way here 3 square plus 3 square is equal to 9 plus 9 is equal to root 18 is equal to 3 root 2. Same way we have to find AD. AD is equal to 3 minus 6 whole square plus 4 minus 1 whole square. So minus 3 square plus 3 square is equal to 9 plus 9 is equal to root 18 is equal to 3 root 2. Student, you observe that AB is equal to 3 root 2, BC is equal to 3 root 2, CD is equal to 3 root 2 and AD is equal to 3 root 2. So all sides of this quadrilateral are equal. But what is the properties of square? The diagonals are also equal. So that's why we can find the diagonals. So diagonals AC is equal to 3 minus 9 whole square plus 4 minus 4 whole square. So 6 whole square plus 0 whole square is equal to 36 is equal to 6. Now we have to find BD. So BD is equal to 6 minus 6 whole square plus 7 minus 6 whole square. So 0 square plus 6 square is equal to 36 is equal to 6. Now from above we have to say that all sides of a ABCDs are equal and their diagonals are also equal. So we know that ABCD is a square. So who is correct? Champa was correct that ABCD is a square. All this sum of exercise 7.1 I already sent you in a PDF. Students, please revise. Now section formula. Ax1, y1 and bx2, y2 is internally in the ratio of m1, m2 are mx2 plus m2x1 divided by m1 plus m2. Same way, m1y2 plus m2y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Same way, if the line segment divide into k ratio 1, then we have to use kx2 plus x1 divided by k plus 1 and ky2 plus y1 divided by k plus 1. This both formula are called section formula. Now exercise number 7.2. Find the coordinates of the points which divide the joint of 1 minus 1 comma 7 and 4 comma minus 3 in the ratio of 2 comma 3. Let P x comma y be the required point which divides the joint of minus 1 comma 7 and 4 comma minus 3 in the ratio of 2 raised to 3. For this we have to use section formula. X1 is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. 2 into 4 plus 3 into minus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. See here 2 is m1 and 3 is m2. 3 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. 3 1s are 3. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. 5 by 5 is equal to 1. Now same way we have to find the y coordinates. M into bracket minus 3 and 3 into bracket minus 7. 2 plus 3. Minus 6 plus 21 divided by 5 is equal to 21 minus 6 is equal to 15. 5 3s are 15. 3. Thus the coordinate of the point which divide the joint of minus 1 comma 7 and 4 comma minus 3 in the ratio of 2 comma 3 are 1 comma 3. Now question number 2. Find the coordinates of the point on trisection of the line segment joining 4 comma minus 1 and minus 2 comma 3 minus 3. See here A and B is the line segment with 4 comma minus 1 and B minus 2 comma minus 3. Now we have to divide into trisection. So we can take P and Q on it. That's why this line segment is divided into 1 part, 2 part and 3 part. So coordinate of P is equal to x1 comma y1 and Q coordinate is equal to x2 comma y2. Now P x1 comma y1 and Q x2 comma y2 are the point that lies between AP is equal to P, Q is equal to QB. So P divide AB into ratio of 1 raised to 2. So what coordinate of x1 is equal to 1 into minus 2 plus 2 into 4 divided by 1 plus 2. 2 ones are 2 minus 2 plus 8 by 3 is equal to 6 by 3 is equal to 2 and y1 coordinate is equal to 1 into minus 3 plus 2 into minus 1 divided by 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 ones are 3 minus 3, 2 ones are 2 minus 2, minus minus plus bigger number sign, 3 plus 2 is equal to minus 5 by 2. So coordinate of P x1 comma y1 is equal to 2 comma minus 5 by 3. Same way x2 comma y2 divides AB in the ratio of 2 raised to 1. So coordinate of x2 is equal to 2 into minus 2 plus 1 into 4 divided by 2 plus 1. So minus 4 plus 4 divided by 3 is equal to 0 by 3 is equal to 0. And y2 is equal to 2 multiply minus 3 plus 1 into minus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. Minus 6 minus 1 by 3 minus 7 by 3. So coordinate of x2 comma y2 is equal to 0 comma minus 7 by 3. Question number 3. To conduct sports day activities in your rectangular shaped school ground. ABCD lines have been drawn with the chalk powder at the distance of 1 meter each. 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter from each other along AD as shown in figure 7.12. Niharika runs 1 by 4th of the distance of AD on the second line and posts green flag. Preeti runs 1 by 5th the distance of AB on the 8th line and posts the red flag. What is the distance between both the flag? If Rashmi has posted blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining the two flags, where should she post her flags? For this we have to see this figure that there are 100 flower pots here. Each are distance of 1 meter. Niharika started from 2nd and Preeti started from 8th, and exactly between the Rashmi is posted the flag. So we have to find the distance between Niharika's flag and Preeti's flag. Now it can be observed that Niharika posts the green flag at 1 by 4th of the distance AB. That means 1 by 4 of 100 meter is equal to 25 4 is 125 meter from starting point on the second line. Therefore, the coordinates of this point is G 2, 25. Now, Preeti posted the red flag at the distance of 1 by 5 of the distance of AD, which means 1 by 5 of 100 meter is equal to 20 from the starting point. So, the 8th line is started. So, the point of R P is equal to 8, 20. So, we have to find the distance from green to red. Green flag to red flag is equal to 8 minus 2 whole square plus 25 minus 20 whole square. So 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. 6 6 are 36. 25 minus 20 is equal to 5. 5 5 are 25. So 36 plus 21 is equal to 61 meter. So 61 root 61 meter. The point at which Rashmi should post her blue flag in the midpoint of the point A x1, y1. Suppose we take that midpoint is equal to x, y. So formula of midpoint is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So x is equal to 2 plus 8 by 2 and y is equal to 25 plus 20 by 2. So 2 plus 8, 10 by 2 is equal to 5 and y is equal to 45 by 2 is equal to 22.5. So A is equal to 5, 25 or 2.5. Hence, Rashmi should post the blue flag at 22.5 meter on the 5th line. Now question number 5. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining A1, minus 5 and B minus 4, 5 is divided by the x-axis. Also find the coordinates of the point of division. Let the ratio in which the line segment joining A1, minus 5 and B minus 4, 5 is divided by the x-axis be k raised to 1. Then by the Session formula, the coordinates of the point which divide AB in the ratio of k raised to 1 are k into bracket minus 4 plus 1 into 1 divided by k plus 1, comma k multiply 5 plus 1 into minus 5 divided by k plus 1. So 4 into k is equal to minus 4k plus 1, 5k minus 5, k plus 1 and k plus 1. Now the point of the division on the x-axis means that y coordinate is 0. So 5k minus 5 divided by k plus 1 is equal to 0. Hence k is equal to 1. Now required ratio is k raised to 1 is 1 raised to 1. So now coordinate of the point of division is equal to 1 minus k, 4k divided by k plus 1, 5k minus 5 divided by k plus 1. So put the value of k1 here. So 1 minus 4 into 1 divide by 1 plus 1. 5 into 1 minus 5 divide by 1 plus 1. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Pick a number sign. 1 plus 1 2. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0 by 2 is equal to 0. So x-axis divide the line segment joining a of minus 5 1 comma minus 5 and b minus 4 comma 5 in the ratio of 1 into 1 ratio 1 at the point minus 3 by 2 comma 0. Now question number 10. Find the area of rhombus of the vertice 3, 0, 4, 5, minus 1, 4 and minus 2, minus 1. Take in the order. Hint, area of rhombus is equal to 1 by 2 product of the diagonals. For this we have to take A 3, 0, B 4, 5, C minus 1, 4 and D minus 2, minus 1. So first we draw the rhombus A, B, C and D. Now we know that area of rhombus is equal to 1/2 product of diagonals. So we have to find AC and BD and then we have to find the area of rhombus. So first we find AC under root 3 minus 1 whole square plus 0 minus 4 square. So 3 plus 1 whole square plus 4 square. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 square plus 4 square. 16 plus 16 is equal to 32 is equal to 4 root 2. Same way we have to find BD. BD is equal to 4 minus 2 whole square plus 5 minus 1 whole square. 4 plus 2 whole square plus 5 plus 1 whole square. 6 plus 6 square plus 6 square is 36 plus 30 is equal to 72 is equal to 6 root 2. Now we know that area of rhombus is equal to 1/2 product of its diagonals. So 1/2 into 4 root 2 multiply 6 root 2. 2 2s are 4. So root 2 into root 2 is equal to 2. 2 cancel. 4 6 are 24. So area of rhombus is equal to 24 square unit. All the sums I already sent you in a PDF. Students, now third formula, area of triangle. So area of triangle is equal to 1/2 x1 into bracket y2 minus y3 plus x2 into bracket y3 minus y1 plus x3 into bracket y1 minus y2. This formula is called area of triangle. Question number 1. Find the area of triangle whose vertex are given below. So first one 2, 3, minus 1, 0 and 2, minus 4. So here x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. So we know that ABC is donated area of triangle ABC is equal to 1/2 into bracket x1 into bracket y2 minus y3 plus x2 into bracket y3 minus y2 into bracket x3 is equal to I1 minus y2. Now put the value of x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3 in the formula. We have 1 by 2 into bracket 2 into 0 minus 4 plus minus 1 into bracket minus 4 minus 3 plus 2 into bracket 3 minus 0 minus plus. So 0 plus 4 is equal to 4 minus plus 4 plus 3 is equal to 7 minus plus minus and 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. So 1/2 into bracket 8 plus 7 plus 6 is equal to 21 by 2 square meter. Now question number 2. A 7, minus 2, B 5, 1 and C 3, K are collinear. What is the meaning of collinear? They all are formed by one line. So here they are not forming a triangle. For collinear pole, area is always 0. So area of ABC is equal to 0. Now ABC is equal to 1/2 into bracket 7 into bracket K minus 1 minus K plus 5 into bracket K minus 2 plus 3 into bracket minus 2 minus 1. Now ABC is equal to 0 is equal to 7 into 1 7 7 into K 7K 5 into K 5K 2 5s are 10 and minus plus minus 3 3s are 9. Now 2 is in denominator, come here to numerator, so 2 into 0 is equal to 0. Now simplify for this. 7K minus 5K is equal to 2K. 7, 10 and 9 is equal to 8. So 2k comes here. 2k is equal to 8. So k is equal to 4. So now we can find the value of k. K is equal to 4. Now question number 3. Find the area of triangle formed by joining the midpoint of the sides of the triangle whose vertex are 0, -1, 2, 1 and 0, 3. Find the ratio of this area to the area of given triangle. Suppose ABC is the triangle A 0, -1, B 2, 1 and C 0, 3. The midpoint of BC is equal to D, the midpoint of AC is equal to E and the midpoint of AB is equal to F. So A is equal to 0, -1, B is equal to 2, 1 and C is equal to 0, 3. Be the vertex of ABC and DEF is the midpoint of ABC respectively. Then we have to find the coordinate of D. So coordinate of D is equal to 2 plus 0 by 2, 3, 1 plus 3 by 2. 2 by 2 is equal to 1, 4 by 2 is equal to 2. Now coordinate of E is equal to 0 plus 0 by 2, 3 minus 1 by 2. 0 by 2 is equal to 0 and 2 by 2 is equal to 1. Now coordinate of F is equal to 0 plus 2 by 2, minus 1 plus 1 by 2. 2 by 2 is equal to 1 and 0 by 2 is equal to 0. Now we have to have a coordinate of D, E and F. Now area of DEF is equal to 1/2 into bracket 1 into bracket 1 minus 0 plus 0 into 0 minus 2 plus 1 into 2 minus 1. So 1 minus 0 is equal to 1, 1 is 1. If we multiply 0 with any integer, it will be 0. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, 1 is 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 cut. So 1 square unit. Same way we have to find the area of ABC is equal to 1/2. 0 into bracket 1 minus 3 plus 2 into bracket 3 plus 1 plus 0 into bracket minus 1 minus 1. So when we multiply 0, it will be 0. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 2s are 8. Minus minus plus 2 into 0, 0. So 2 4s are 8. So 4 square unit. So ratio of DEF and ABC is equal to 1:4. Now question number 4. Find the area of quadrilateral whose vertex taken in the order of 4, minus 4, minus 2, minus 3, minus 5, 3, minus 2 and 2, We have to draw the quadrilateral A, B, C and D and we have to find the vertex and then coordinates. Now we draw one diagonals A and C. So we get two triangle A, B and C, A, D and C. So first we have to find ABC. Area of ABC is equal to 1/2 minus 4 into bracket minus 5 plus 2 plus minus 3 into bracket minus 2 plus 2 plus 3 into bracket minus 2 plus 5. Now minus 5 plus 2 is equal to minus 3 4s are 12. Minus minus plus minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 0 into 3 is equal to 0. Minus 2 plus 5 is equal to 3 3s are 9. 12 plus 9 is equal to 21 by 2 square unit. Now we have to find the area of DEF. Now area of ADC is equal to 1/2 into bracket minus 4 into bracket 3 plus 2, 2 into bracket 2 minus 2 plus 2 plus 3 into bracket minus 2 minus 3. 3 plus 2, 5 4s are 20. 2 minus 2, 0 into 2, 0. Minus minus plus 3 plus 2, 5 minus 5 into 3 minus 15. Minus minus plus 2 minus 20 into minus 15 is equal to minus 35 by 2. But area of triangle never be negative. So we can take it in a numerical value. So area of ADC is equal to 32 by 35 by 2 square unit. Now we can find the area of quadrilateral ABC. So we have to add area of ABC plus area of ADC. 21 by 2 plus 35 by 2 is equal to 56 by 2 is equal to 28 square unit. Students, already I sent 7.3 in my PDF. You have to revise from